In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add and subtract with polynomials. In this first example, we have 2x plus 5, so this first polynomial, plus 4x squared plus 6x. Now what we want to do is add the like terms. So 2x and 6x both have the variable x in them with a coefficient. There's only one x squared, which is over here, and there's only one numerical value of 5. So 2x plus 6x is going to be 8x plus 5 plus 4x squared. And if we wanted to arrange that in descending order, it would be 4x squared plus 8x plus 5. 2x squared minus 5x plus 3 plus x cubed plus 2x plus 8. Now if you recall, when we were doing system of equations, we would line the like terms up so that we could add or subtract them. And this is a good rule of thumb to use when adding and subtracting polynomials. So we're going to move this term underneath of this in order. So we're going to do x cubed plus, we did not have an x squared over here, but we did have a 2x. And we did have an 8, or a numerical value, plus 8. And I put the 0 there as a placeholder. It's not necessary to write, but I just like it to keep everything in line. So we're adding these together. So this is going to be x cubed plus 2x squared, because 2x squared plus 0 is just 0. 5x plus 2x, but it's a negative 5x plus a 2x, so it would still be a negative 3x. And then 8 plus 3 is 11. So our final answer would be x cubed plus 2x squared plus negative 3x, or minus 3x, plus 11. So in this example, we have 4x to the 5th plus 3x squared minus a 2x to the 4th plus x squared. So lining those up, I'll just rewrite this. So 4x to the 5th plus, we don't have an x to the 4th, and we don't have an x to the 3rd, but we have a 3x squared, and we can stop right there. And that takes care of this first term. The second term, we don't have an x to the 5th, we have an x to the 4th, and it's 2x to the 4th. We don't have an x to the 3rd, but we do have an x squared. And x squared is the same as 1x squared. And remember, we're subtracting these. So we're going to do 4x to the 5th minus 0 is just 4x to the 5th. 0 minus a 2x to the 4th is going to be minus 2x to the 4th, because we're subtracting a positive. There's nothing in this column, so we don't have to worry about that. And then 3x squared minus 1x squared would be 2x squared, and it would be a positive 2x squared, because 3 minus 1 is a positive 2. And that would be our answer when subtracting these two polynomials. Looking at our last example, we have 5x to the 3rd minus 4x squared plus 3x plus 6 minus 5x to the 3rd plus 4x squared minus 3x plus 6 again. So what we're going to do is we're going to move this term underneath of this one, lining everything up. So we're going to have 5x cubed plus 4x squared minus 3x plus 6. That's taking care of each of these terms. Now we're subtracting this first polynomial from the second polynomial. So 5x cubed minus 5x cubed is just 0. Negative 4x squared minus 4x squared will be a negative 8x squared. positive 3x minus a negative 3x would be 3x plus 3x, so that's going to be plus 6x, and then 6 minus a positive 6 is 0. So our answer when subtracting these two polynomials will be negative 8x squared plus 6